So, good morning, ma'am. First of all, I would like to heartily thank you for attending this event and providing your valuable insights in the panel. I would want to ask you what were your key takeaways from the session and the session that you attended before that as an audience? Anything in specific if you want to highlight about these sessions?
Yeah, so it's really great to note that people are now taking a lot of initiatives to come out of the old traditional mindset of like the university curriculum being defined by the university authorities and no connect with the industry to what we saw today that actually the labs are established in the universities with the industries. We are giving experiential learning to students, hands on learning, and connecting the theory with practice, which is a very important thing. We are talking of like industry wants graduates to be ready, start the productivity right from the first day. So, for that, what is needed? So, develop the problem solving abilities, develop the life skills, communication, and it's not limited in the classroom, but we are moving out of the classroom and giving them that experience of industry to learn. So that's important takeaway.
So you just talked about that we need to connect theory with practice. So how is DICMAR ensuring that the currently whatever the skills are being provided by the university are meeting the industry needs? Because it is very important to bridge that gap. So what is NICMAR specifically doing for that?
Yeah. So as I said, NICMAR has a very beautiful curriculum designed with the industry inputs, as it was started by the industry giants. So the industry inputs are in a great way that the curriculum should have technical expertise. So again, hands-on learning, giving them workshop practices, giving them internships, where they actually go and work, get to know the industry. We have industry talk series. So industry experts come and talk to the students, so the students realize what is it that they are learning for. They are going to apply the learning. So it's a series of lectures. It's not one or two, like 10, 12 lecture series, and from different areas, like what is 3D printing, or the bullet trains which are coming up, or the tunneling technologies which have come. What are the challenges they face? What's leadership on the site? Learning in the books, leadership is different, but leadership actually in practice when the crisis happens. So those sort of experience sharing from the industry people makes a lot of difference. Doing projects, taking live problems from them, and actually implementing, and the whatever are the outcomes are shared with the industry. Then we are part of the policy making for these construction industries, like labor productivity, how it can be improved, material standardization, material constant. So we are part of research also to define standards for the industries.
That were very beneficial insights, ma'am. Thank you so much for your inputs. Thank you.